Welcome to Culinary Adventures. Today we're making mushroom dumplings. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. To prepare these dumplings, you'll need 30 g of dried mushrooms. Soak them overnight, then cook in the same water. Add a pinch of salt. Cook until soft. We'll also need 1 small onion. Peel it, dice it, and sauté in oil. Now grind the cooked mushrooms using a medium grinder. If you don't have one, finely chop them instead. Add the sautéed onion. Just a small one is enough for this recipe. Season the mixture with salt and pepper. This completes our dumpling filling. Now for the dough. We'll use 1½ cups of wheat flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and about half a cup of hot water. Let's begin. For kneading, the dough should be smooth and elastic. If it's not, you can sprinkle it with a bit of flour. Now that it's kneaded, let's start rolling it out. From this portion, we'll make about 40 uszka, though the final count depends on their size. I've rolled out the dough. I'm using a large glass to cut them, about 50 milliliters, I think. Place filling on each circle, then seal like a dumpling, pinching the edges together. These prepared uszka are cooked in salted boiling water for about 2 minutes after they float. Best served with red borscht. You'll find that recipe on my channel too. Like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. This recipe and more are on my blog. Links below. Thanks and take care.